Looking to offer a handy loan calculator on your website? With Fluent Forms, it's easier than you might think. Here's a quick guide to set up a form that effortlessly calculates monthly loan payments for your users. So, let's get this tool up and running in no time. First, go to the Fluent Forms dashboard and create a new form. This will serve as your loan calculator where users can input the necessary details to calculate their monthly payments. Before you start adding form input fields, let's take a moment to understand how a loan calculation works. Here is the formula. As you can see, here P is the principal, which is the amount of money you want to borrow. R goes for the monthly interest rate, and N for the repayment period in months. Now, let's set up the form fields. First, I'll take a numeric field and label it as loan amount. Easy enough. I'll need two more fields. Let's add them and label them appropriately to capture the rest of the data. I'll also set the attributes for them. Don't worry, it's not a rocket science, just a bit of number crunching. Next up, let's decode the interest rate. I'll add another numeric field and label it as R for the interest rate. Okay, in the advanced options, I'll set up a calculation to divide the entered percentage by 100, then by 12. Boom, interest rate sorted. Next, I need to calculate the second part. For that, I'll set up a numeric field and label it as maybe A to handle this. Now, in the calculation section, we have to form the math. No worries, it's same as the formula, which I'll try to give in the description below so that you can copy and paste it in your case. Now, to bring it all together, I'll calculate the whole part. Let's label this step as B this time and use the loan amount. Multiply it by our calculated interest rate, then multiply that by our A value from before. For the last bit, I'm gonna subtract 1 from A value to handle rest of the part. I'll label this step as C. And again, don't sweat it, all of them are in the description ready to copy. To wrap things up, I'll take another field, let's call it F for the final result. This is where I divide the B by C to get the monthly payment. Finally, I'll add another field labeled monthly payment and set the expression to round off the results. Because no one likes dealing with messy decimals, right? Let's have a look to check if it's working perfectly. And there it is, working just as it should. Okay, we need to clean up some of the form parts. So I'll hide these fields using the FF hidden class, except for the one that shows the monthly payment. Oh, and let's rename the submit button to fit our form better. There, much cleaner. And just like that, you got a fully functional loan calculator embedded on your site, ready to help your visitors make informed financial decisions. If you're looking to enhance your site's functionality and provide real value to your audience, Fluent Forms is the way to go. Give your visitors the clarity they need and take your website to the next level. Happy form building!